What is a junk journal and what do you do with them? I hear this question a lot, especially the second part, and I thought it might be time to give you my perspective on this question. I'm April from Giggle Glitter Graphics, and I've been making junk journals for a couple of years now. I found so much freedom to express myself using this art form and enjoy sharing it with others. So let's start with the first part of that question. What is a junk journal? You're going to hear many different answers from many different people about this. Originally, it was a book created purely from or containing mostly what we would consider junk. But these days, I feel like it has morphed into something much broader than that. I like to think of modern day junk journals as a buffet of styles that you can pick and choose from. Let's go through 5 examples of what you can put inside of your junk journal. Now, I don't have visual examples of all of these because I have my own preferences and my own style, so I'm going to show you some of my past journals while we chat. Let's start with just junk. This can be things like food and mail packaging, old clothing scraps, receipts, magazines, pages from old books, and flotsam from your day-to-day life. You could just save things, toss them in a box, and then pick through them later for inspiration. You can then mix and rework them into something that you find visually appealing. Next is memorabilia and ephemera. This can mean saving items that are important to you or your family history. Things like photos, ticket stubs, notes and letters, maybe even recipes. You can ask family members to write little notes and memories down and include those in your journal, or just let the items collect inside and speak for themselves. You can also include artwork in your journal. It could be painting in acrylic or watercolor, mixed media, collage, drawing, basically all of the different mediums. If you do digital art, you can print that out and include it in your journal as well. Store-bought supplies are the next on the list. Maybe you love going to the craft store and just wandering around. You find a piece of paper or a supply that you love, but you're not sure what you would do with it. Put it in your junk journal. Stamps, stickers, papers, ribbons, lace, fabric, you name it, you can put it in there. Finally, I'd like to add digital supplies. This is my favorite form of supply as I both use and make digital kits specifically for junk journals. I find them budget-friendly and easy to use if I want to stick with a certain theme. There's also a wide range of specialty papers out there that it's really easy to turn them into stickers or print them onto things like fabric or canvas. This means you only need a computer and a printer, and you can print out all kinds of junk journal supplies. So now you've seen some examples of my own journals, and you've also heard what kinds of items can be incorporated into them, but what do you do with them? Let me tell you my favorite answer. Nothing. Make it, enjoy the process, get in the groove, and glue, tear, tuck away, and collage anything and everything you want, and then when you're done, be done. Put it away somewhere, then get it out again in the future to page through and enjoy. It's an art in itself, and it doesn't need a reason to exist. I used to feel bad that I was creating so many journals with writing space and then I just didn't write in them, but that doesn't bother me anymore. However, maybe you do want to do a little more with these books. You can use them to write in, give them as gifts, and you can even sell them. But at the end of the day, you could do whatever you want with it. It's your artwork, it's your way of expressing yourself and bringing joy into your life, and when you are done and ready to move on, then you should do so. I still enjoy making journals for fun, but lately I find myself wanting to do just a little more. I've started including stories in my journals and my journal kits. I want it to feel like you're discovering little tidbits about the story as you page through the journal and can then fill in the blanks with your imagination. Or you can just enjoy discovering each little thing as you come across it. I picture them as something I can put on the coffee table or get out when family comes to visit. My sister has enjoyed paging through and seeing what little things I've tucked away inside. I hope this has helped you understand a little better what a junk journal is and what you should do with it. If you would like to see more about junk journals, including tutorials for creating your own, then like and subscribe and get notified when new videos are available. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.